Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, today I'm in a posh, very posh location, one of the upcoming beautiful layouts in Bangalore. And as usual, I'm very close to Hennur Road and this is a different locality. कौन सा ये locality है ये जानने के लिए वीडियो में बने रहिए. And I'm going to show you a rental income property, a value for money and lots of rent to be earned in this property. If you're a North Bangalorean, this video is for you, and if you're an investor anywhere in India, this video is only for you. And also if you are out of India and NRI, then it does not really matter because this video is for everybody who has money and who can invest on a rental income property like this. So this is my voice from the mic. The moment I get inside the parking, mic हट जाएगा and the voice would change. So guys, I have just entered the property and over here I can see there is a huge car parking area. So over there can be one car parking. Over here there is one over here. There are nearly 4 car parkings as I can see at the moment. So the plot size I'm going to tell you in few moment. I want you to concentrate on this parking area at the moment. इसके बाद I'm going to show you a beautiful layout of a unit in one of the floors. I'm not going to take the complete building, all the units, क्योंकि वीडियो लंबा हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे the meters are installed. Every unit has a separate meter. So इससे आपको अंदाज़ा लग सकता है कि कितने units होंगे. If you can count and just look at this, there are. Can you guess what is this? Can you just guess what is this? ये क्या रखा हुआ है इधर? अगर आप मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओगे, it will be very helpful. Just look at this. आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या चीज़ है ये? क्या मुर्गियों को बांधने के लिए है या इस किसी पशु पक्षी के लिए है या क्या चीज़ है ये? प्लीज़ कमेंट में मुझे बताइए व्हाट इज दिस. एंड लुक एट दिस कार पार्किंग एरिया, वेरी ह्यूज. जस्ट लुक एट दिस पिलर्स, क्वाइट बिग इन साइज द पिलर्स. एक हो गया, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड देयर आर मोर पिलर्स हिडन. मतलब कुछ इस दीवार में होंगे, हो सकता है उस दीवार में, हो सकता है इस दीवार में. सो देयर इज नियरली 12 पिलर्स इन दिस बिल्डिंग एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉल यूनिट इन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर. जस्ट चेकआउट करते हैं. अभी काम बाकी है, काफ़ी सारा वुडवर्क यहाँ पे पड़ा है एंड लगता है कि इट इज़ 90% completed over here with 4 car parkings and some 5 to 6 or 10 bikes parking over here. The road which we saw, that was nearly 30 feet road. बाहर भी parking हो सकता है. You can park the bikes also outside. So this is a small unit now and guys, 1 महीने में complete हो जाएगा because I have an idea. The moment I entered this room, look at the ceiling. Quite big. Can you tell me कितने फीट का होगा? Just look at this window. Very big. तो इस विंडो, जब ये विंडो ही, it looks like a 6 feet window man for a small unit. Just look at this. It's a small room for a servant and he has a toilet. So there has to be a person who has to take care of the complete building. तो उसके लिए ये रूम है. अगर आप इसको रेंट पे देना चाहते हो, you will get 6,000 rupees for this. 6,000 रुपए. Let's look at the toilet. For this is an Indian toilet. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, but it's spacious, quite spacious room. So the servant comes out here. He checks everything. He cleans the whole area. And guys, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? Lift? ये लिफ्ट है या कोई रूम है? प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना. आपको क्या लगता है? What is this area? आपको क्या लगता है? कमेंट्स में बताओ प्लीज. And a lot of things can come below the stairs as well. So one thing I really liked is this is the stainless steel railing and look at this granite. अभी इसमें polishing बाकी है, but I can see the color, the quality of the granite work is really commendable. So the quality of granite is good. Just look at this, the window. And this is the first floor. I'm going to go to the second floor and take a typical unit, only one unit, and finish the video as soon as possible. And I'm going to give you much more details in the unit there. So stay in the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So guys, I am in the second floor. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, I want you to comment ये क्या है? What is this? Is this a lift or a store room? Comment में बताना. And I'm going to respond there. One good thing I felt about this property, just look at that. यहाँ से मैं आया. This goes to the other room. Over here there is a main door, a beautiful door. One good thing is इस पैसेज में basically this is the lift. This is a good wide space. यहाँ पे अगर आप सामान लाते हो then it is easy to turn around, and there is a big window where somebody can talk to an outsider from the house. So one good thing is this, and the moment I enter over here I see a beautiful ceiling work done. So after the ceiling, पहले हम bedrooms देख लेते हैं. So this goes to a balcony, and this is the wardrobe area. And that's the attached toilet. Quite spacious. ये balcony के लिए खुलता है. And this is over here. There is a big window for the lighting, and this is a attached toilet. So one room done. This door connects to the balcony. यहाँ से देखते हैं क्या है. ये है balcony, दिख रहा है मुझे विंडो से. फिलहाल के लिए अभी बंद है. So the moment I come outside, I get into a second bedroom. So this is a rental income property. A house for sale in Bangalore. क्या इसका रेंट है? क्या खाता है? What is the price of this complete building? Everything I'm going to tell you. So I finished the second floor, and this also has a access to a balcony over here. But there is no attached toilet. So this room does not have an attached toilet. So the moment I come outside, I see a common toilet over here. Pretty spacious common toilet. And यहाँ पे there is another bedroom. यहाँ पे मुझे balcony भी दिख रहा है. I can come outside and check the balcony. And also I can check the neighborhood. One thing I really like that if you want to check out the neighborhood, just go to the terrace. आपको सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा from the terrace. So this is the third bedroom, and the windows are really huge. पता नहीं आपको वीडियो में कैसा दिख रहा है, but when you come here you can see it's a huge window, quite big. 4 feet का है ये. It's nearly 4.5 feet. काफी बड़ा. And one thing I'll tell you, the ceiling. Just wait. I'm going to tell you the ceiling height. Ceiling height पता करने के लिए just wait in the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So wardrobe over here, there is no toilet. We looked at one bedroom which had a attached toilet with a balcony, and this is a common one. So here we go. This is how we entered. That's the wall unit, and this is the fall ceiling. So this is the living area. That's how we entered, and this is the fall ceiling the moment we enter. And this is the wall unit, and that is the window which somebody from the home can just look outside and talk to somebody who is in the passage near the outside the door. So this is the wall unit, and the moment we enter, we can see this spacious living area. This is the dining area यहाँ पे, and this window is quite spacious, big window. So this is a quite wide window, and one thing I'll tell you, the ceiling height is 10.5 feet. So generally आजकल 10.5 feet मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है. यहाँ पे the ceiling height from the floor to the ceiling, it is 10.5, and just next to the dining area, this is the living area. That is the first bedroom. The moment you enter, you see the first bedroom, second bedroom इसमें attached है, and balcony. This has a balcony, and that is the third bedroom, and that is the common toilet. So 2 toilet, 3 bedrooms. Now it's time to look at the kitchen. So a beautiful kitchen work. यहाँ पे भी विंडो है. Every wall has a beautiful big windows for the light and ventilation to come inside, and these are all soft opening. मुझे लग रहा है I just open and मैं से जोर से धक्का मारता हूँ, and it's a soft closing. काफी काम हो चुका है. 90% work is done. Only 5 to 10% work is pending. So this is also a soft closing. दिख रहा है आपको how it closes? So यहाँ पे lighting भी दिया हुआ है, which is really good, below the loft, and this goes to the utility. Look at the style work done on the wall all over, and the grill work in the utility. Safety का काफी ध्यान दिया है यहाँ पे. And we come out of the utility, we look at the living area. This is the kitchen area. Kitchen is spacious. Dining, आराम से यहाँ पे 6 से 7 लोग can dine at a time. And अगर यहाँ से ऐसा होगा dining, then I think it can be even more people. And a 3 bedroom in 1 floor with window every wall, 1, 2, 3, and all the bedrooms has a window. वहाँ पे ventilation का काफी ध्यान दिया. And look at this, the wall unit, and the ceiling is 10.5. Price मैंने already वीडियो में बताया हुआ है, so I don't want you guys to keep asking me for the exact location, exact price. ये 2 चीज मत पूछना. बाकी there are many other details which you can ask. So guys, अगर आपको ये यूनिट, ये बिल्डिंग, रेंटल इनकम बिल्डिंग देखना है, तो don't forget to call me. My number is in the description. So guys, this is a BBMP B खाता property with an individual E खाता. Loans can be availed easily, and the property is located on Tanisandra Road. Indian Bank is the landmark. You can also type Tirumenahalli, and you can call me. My number is in description. जैसे कि आपने ग्राउंड फ्लोर में देखा, the small unit can fetch 6,000 rupees. In the first floor there is a 3 BHK, and this is the second floor right now. This is a 3 BHK, and the price of this property is 3 crores 20 lakhs. So coming to the rent would be 1 lakh 26,000 for the complete. Ground floor mein it is a small unit which will fetch 6,000 rupees. In the first floor 3 BHK it will fetch 35,000. Second floor 3 BHK right now जिसमें मैं हूँ 35,000 rent for this unit. Above me there is a 2 BHK and above that 2 BHK is another 2 BHK, 50,000, 25,000 each for a 2 BHK. So all put together it will be 1,26,000 rupees rent that this building will fetch. It's a brand new, fabulous construction. The quality is amazing. And the facing, if you want to know, please comment करके पूछिए the facing and I will let you know. So don't forget to comment about the facing. And this building comes with the lift. So this is a rental income property. Plot size is 30-40 with a borewell water. 3.5 inch water is available in this building. So don't worry about the water. Kaveri connection is yet to come. Jaldi aa jayega. Otherwise, seriously, the water is 3.5 inches. अगर आप चाहो तो वो पानी आप इस एरिया में सप्लाई भी कर सकते हो. It is so much of water available in this property.